It's Nickelodeon's Worldwide Day of Play. We're outside playing, and you should be too. We'll be back at 3.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 25 for further details.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. There is a fire at the Tesoro refinery in Salt Lake City. A shelter-in-place warning is now in effect for all areas within a 2-mile radius of the refinery. Toxic materials may be burning in the fire, and anyone exposed to these chemicals may be injured. To shelter in place, get inside and close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units. Seal cracks with tape or wet towels. Monitor local media outlets for further updates on this developing situation.